boy, am I glad to get out of that office. Oh.
What's that noise?
I don't know. I'll get it checked out later. Probably nothing too serious.
Hey, guys! Whoa!
So, this beanstalk caper, it's the one with the wood chopper and the wolf, right?
I don't think so.
I'll tell you the real story if you want. Jack and his mother were so poor that they had to sell their only possession, a cow. So off he went to the market.
Hurry back. The rent's due and the January sales are starting.
Then Jack met a stranger.
What ho, young fellow? Is this splendid beast for sale by any chance?
Yeah.
Then I'm willing to make you an offer you simply can't refuse. A packet of magic beans. Guaranteed to bring you untold wealth.
And so Jack took the beans in exchange for his cow.
Golly, won't Mother be pleased?
What? You sold our cow for a handful of beans?
Magic beans.
Oh!
And his mother threw the beans away out into the garden. But the next morning when Jack went outside...
Golly, they were magic beans. Untold wealth. Here we come.
Jack climbs a beanstalk and at the top finds a giant's castle.
Let me guess. He steals something from the giant and we have to arrest him.
No, he's supposed to steal?
I wonder what went wrong.
I'll tell you what went wrong. The beans were duds. I mean, come on, who ever heard of a giant beanstalk?
Oh, thank goodness you're here. You have to find my Jack. 3 days he's been up there.
Don't worry, ma'am. We'll find him.
I've got him a job as an apprentice village idiot. We've got all these bills to pay, you see.
And don't forget the rent's due.
Who are you?
The landlord, of course. If I don't get my money by tomorrow, I shall be forced to throw them out on the street.
Oh, no.
Oh, I just love my work.
Oh, please, please, please help me.
Hey, don't worry about it. These guys are the best of the best, better than the best. When it comes to detecting, these guys are the bees knees, the
yes,
cat's pajamas. They're Socko,
Pinocchio.
Bobo, Dynamite, Duck Soup, the creme de la creme.
Don't worry. We'll do our best.